In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw money from Bybit to your bank account. First, open the Bybit app and log in. Make sure you've already sold your crypto into fiat or a supported stablecoin. Most of the time, you'll first convert coins like BTC or ETH into USDT, then either use P2P or a fiat withdrawal method to reach your bank. Let's start with the simple path. Cash via P2P to your bank. On the home screen, tap P2P Trading or go to Buy Crypto, then P2P. Switch to the Sell tab and choose USDT or the coin you converted into. Select your fiat currency, then pick a buyer with a good rating that supports your bank transfer method. Enter the amount, confirm the order, and follow the instructions to receive the money to your bank account outside Bybit. Only tap Release after you've confirmed the money arrived in your bank. In some regions, Bybit also offers direct fiat withdrawals. Go to Assets Arrow Withdraw. Arrow Fiat, choose your currency, select Bank Transfer, enter the amount, then fill in your bank details exactly as required and confirm the withdrawal. Always double-check the amount, fees, and bank info, and never release P2P funds until you've verified the money is in your bank. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.